Can everyone help me? Put the hands up real quick. Hands up.
Hey, I'm 60.
It's a sad reality, but that's the world we live in. I will not give up, lately I've been hitting it. I done you wrong, see, I ain't really innocent. But one day I will blow up like nitroglycerin. Life is a challenge, and I ain't talking cinnamon. Why do you channel the feelings to a minimum? Keep taking back home, when I got nothing, I should give to them. Got the poetry down, so now I bring the rhythm in. Always independent, so I know that they all feel away. Never disrespect my family if you wanna see the day. Music's in my blood, there's no inside my DNA. I'm sorry for the pain and cause some stuff I felt I need to say. See, that's the thing that I noticed when I was growing up. Tell it, admit when you're wrong, then you pick your shoulders up. Learn from what you did and indifferently you can open up. Because of what I gave, you broke upon the both of us. Take the blame for every mistake, they aren't sure enough. Sympathy to your side, but I get it, I'm sold enough. I know I'm a man, excuse me if I'm emotional. I give you a call back, I just gotta sober up. Cause I've been hurting like it's nothing and it's getting to me. I get late until the point my vision's very blurry. And if you need me, hit me up, cause I ain't in a hurry. I look after myself eventually, don't you worry. Cause I'll be hurting like it's nothing and it's getting to me. I get late until the point my vision's very blurry. And if you need me, hit me up, cause I ain't in a hurry. I look after myself eventually, don't you worry. It's a sad reality, but that's the world we living in. I will not give up, lately I've been hinting it. I ain't done you wrong, see I ain't really innocent. But one day I will blow up like nitroglycerin. It's a sad reality, but that's the world we living in. I will not give up, but lately I've been hinting it. I ain't done you wrong, see I ain't really innocent. But one day I will blow up like nitroglycerin. I remember that look inside of your eyes. Look itself was enough to see you down the ride. But you ain't never switched up, to be honest, I ain't right. You was wiping on my tears, you ain't never on my side. We were talking for some years, we missed a lot of time. But we distant and they changed, she's still on my mind. And it cost me down to know that I can always hit you right. You can hit me up, you know this, I just wish I could rewind. To the days we was involved, it was scratching on my spine. I drink whiskey, vodka, smoke, and I mix it all right. I was cautious with your body, had to make sure you're fine. Ain't nobody gonna hurt you long as you stay as mine. Say you feel watching different rate, yeah, you never shine. When you was young, you had to go home and stay for a while. Then the first time we spoke in years, I was almost in the night. We was up for hours, catching up, just making it look wild, yeah. So I've been hurting like it's nothing, and it's getting to me. I get late until the point my vision's very blurry. And if you need me, hit me up, cause I ain't in a hurry. I look after myself eventually, don't you worry. Cause I've been hurting like it's nothing, and it's getting to me. I get late until the point my vision's very blurry. And if you need me, hit me up, cause I ain't in a hurry. I look after myself eventually, don't you worry. Thank you.
Oh, I'm going to be honest, I loved your performance last week, but I loved that even more. That was right up my street, and I really wanted to get behind him, so I'm like...
Wouldn't ruin the emotion in it, but
Yeah.
it would have made a classic.
Amazing, well done. Maybe next time, yeah? Good up. Kelly.
Do you know, your writing skills are absolutely awesome. I mean, the lyrics and everything, there are so many words, so many feelings that you put into that. You could really feel the emotion coming off you as you were doing it. But, I mean, when I was a bit late because I had to wait to use the loo, and when I come back in, all I saw was everybody like this. So you had a crowd on your side right from the very start. I love the fact that you could tell when the chorus came in. Even though you didn't have like a singing hook, you changed the rhythm up and you really made that stand up, you really made it catchy. I thought it was amazing, I really enjoyed that, well done.
Thank you.
Thanks, Yeah, I agree with what Kelly said. Your writing skills are so amazing, like the way you structure your songs, and like you don't have a hook, but you can tell like when the chorus comes in, like your rhythm and stuff, and like the lyrics were just wow. Yeah, I love how you worked the crowd. Like last week, you had us all going, and again this week. And another thing I like is how you rap in your Welsh accent. Like I can hear your Welsh accent, and like you don't only like hear that, so that's quite nice. And again, I like the beats. Like you pick nice beats and stuff. But yeah, that was miles better than last week. I really enjoyed that. The lyrics, everything. It was stunning. Well done. Thanks, so
Easy, yeah, I mean, that was a fantastic start tonight to the boot camp, so well done for that. Like, I noticed, I don't know if it, first of all, that I really enjoyed that performance. That's why I stood, because I thought his skill here, again like last week. After last week, I spotted it straight away, and I was like, and I'll repeat it, I have to be honest with myself, and the rappers I've seen over the years, and the people in the industry that I've seen doing this, I can only be honest with how I feel, and I've watched some of your stuff online since, and I've looked you up a bit more, and I've checked out your work, and I genuinely believe you've got to be one of the best I've ever seen, and that is how I feel. And I'll tell you why. It's firstly the skill, that just your natural raw talent, your skill, the ability to be able to write with so much feeling and connection and make it flow so well. The sound of your voice is so unique it's very distinctive in a rapper, because a lot of rappers, people hear them, they go, this sounds exactly the same, they all sound the same. There's something really unique in your voice that makes you different. I did pick up tonight, I don't know if I was wrong, but it was almost like you couldn't catch your breath in certain bits, but that's fine, it took nothing away. I just wanted to bring up on that, because even though I still think you're at a top level, like that's why I said that, I still want to pick up anything further on in this. So just be careful of things like that in future. I know coming up first and rushing up is a little bit thing, and there was a lot to be done in that song, so well done for doing that, because there was a lot you had to do in that to keep all your breathing going. But I actually definitely think I enjoyed this one even more, and the last one I loved. Literally, you're showing us like an album that I would buy.